Good morning, students. Welcome to social science class. We are doing history section, and in history we have read in our previous chapters that Indian kings were become weak due to their continuous war with each other. The Rajput kings or the Cholas or Pallavas were just busy in their battles with each other. They were not strong to stop the invasion. And it just gave the opportunity to others to invade our country. It was only the reason because the ruler of our country were weak. That is the only reason that foreign invaders invaded our country. Okay, and Delhi Sultanate, at the time of Delhi Sultanate, they were also the foreign invaders. Those control our country and just hold the country. Delhi Sultanate also lost its glory under Ibrahim Lodi. Okay, and their officials called Babur to control India or to invade India. The situation is same in all the parts of our country. You can say in Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Bengal, Malwa. At every place, the condition was bad. There was lawlessness and disorder. Nobody likes the king because king were busy in their own life. They had no contact with common people. So the common man did not like the king, and they just helped the invaders. Okay, the local rulers were unpopular among the masses, and at that time Babur laid the foundation of Mughal Empire in India. He was succeeded by his son Humayun. But it was Akbar who proved the glory of the Mughal Empire. It means the Mughal Empire expanded in the time of Akbar. He was a great Mughal king. He was good to Hindus. Okay, he had religious tolerance. So Akbar was a great king of Mughals, and he just gave the glory to the Mughal Empire. So let's start with the first Mughal king, that was Babur, who established Mughal Empire in our country. Babur ruled from 1526 to 30. His real name was Zahiruddin Muhammad, but commonly known as Babur, Tiger. He was the grandson of Taimur and Chengiz Khan. Both Taimur and Chengiz Khan invaded India several times. He was a brave king, experienced general, skilled horse rider, sure shooter and skilled swordsman. जो बाबर था वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्किल्ड पर्सन था. He knew how to control the army. He was a great general. ही वॉज अ ग्रेट शूटर, उसे उस टाइम पर तीर चलते थे, तीरों एरो और बो से वर्क किया जाता था, तो वो एक बहुत अच्छा शूटर था। ओके, स्वॉर्ड्समैन, तलवारबाजी बहुत अच्छी आती थी उसे। स्वॉर्ड क्या होती है? दैट इज़ तलवार। ओके, ही वॉज अ ग्रेट स्वॉर्ड्समैन, बहुत अच्छे से तलवार से लड़ता था वो। ओके, ही बिकेम द किंग ऑफ काबुल। आफ्टर दैट ही conquered गजनी एंड समरकंद। As he was a brave king, he was a brave person, so he invaded the Afghan area. In that, he became the king of Kabul and also conquered Ghazni and Samarkand. But he failed to control over Samarkand, so he just moved towards India. वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ समरकंद को अपने कंट्रोल में करने में, तो वो इंडिया की तरफ उसने फेस किया, बिकॉज ही नो दैट इंडियन किंग्स वर वीक एंड ही वॉज ऑल्सो अट्रैक्टेड बाय द वेल्थ ऑफ इंडिया. As firstly he wanted to control over the whole Asia, but the failure to control Samarkand made him give up the ambition to control over the Central Asia. उसने काबुल, समरकंद, गजनी पर कंट्रोल किया था और वो पूरे सेंट्रल एशिया को अपने कंट्रोल में करना चाह रहा था, बट समरकंद को वो ज़्यादा टाइम तक अपने कंट्रोल में नहीं कर पाया. सो उसने अपना एम्बिशन पूरे सेंट्रल एशिया में जो कंट्रोल करने का एम्बिशन था उसे गिव अप किया एंड देन ही मूव टूवर्ड्स द इंडिया की तरफ आया, जहाँ उसे पता था कि रूलर्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री वर वीक एंड देयर वाज अ ग्रेट वेल्थ. किंग्स वीक हैं बट इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा वेल्थ है, बहुत ज़्यादा मनी है, तो वो यहाँ से वो कलेक्ट कर सकता है. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स attracted him. Okay, he defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat in 1526. बाबर ने इंडिया पर कंट्रोल किया by defeating Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat in 1526. This ended the power of Afghans and boosted his economic security and influence. As we have discussed that common person of India were not happy with their rulers. Okay, and the defeat of Ibrahim Lodi make them happy, and because of that Babar popular in the people of common people of our country. ठीक है, he became popular among the masses. लोगों के बीच में वो बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हो गया. He gave all his wealth to the people to buy their confidence. उसने सब कुछ, जितना भी उसके पास मनी थी, उसने जो भी कमाया था वो सारा पब्लिक को दे दिया, अफ़गान चीफ को दे दिया जो उसे अपोज कर रहे थे. टू बाय देयर फेथ, टू बाय देयर कॉन्फिडेंस, कि वो उसे बाबर को पसंद करना स्टार्ट कर दें कि हाँ ये हमें हेल्प कर रहा है या हमें मनी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. तो मनी इज़ अ ग्रेट थिंग. यू कैन चेंज द माइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन बाय गिवन देम मनी. सो सेम बाबर डिड दैट. He gave his money to the common person and to the Afghan chiefs so that they just believe on him or they gave him support. ठीक है, बाबर ने अफ़गान चीफ को क्यों दिया? कि वो उनके पास पावर थी और वो बाबर को सपोर्ट करें कि हाँ ये अच्छा किंग है, कॉमन पर्सन भी बाबर को सपोर्ट करें. इसलिए उसने अपनी सारी वेल्थ लोगों में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दी. ओके. In order to have complete control over North India, Babur had to defeat Rajputs, and here he met a fierce battle of Khanwa where Rana Sanga was defeated. Okay, this defeat ended the power of great warriors, the Rajput. Babur was not only great military commander but also a learned scholar. He wrote बाबरनामा एंड तुझके बाबरी. अंडरलाइन दैट. बाबर ना सिर्फ एक अच्छा स्वॉर्ड्समैन और एक अच्छा शूटर था, एक अच्छा जनरल था, बट ही वॉज ऑल्सो अ लर्नड पर्सन, अ स्कॉलर हु रोट द बाबरनामा और तुझके बाबरी. ओके. एंड इन दीज बुक्स ही includes all the events related to बाबर्स लाइफ. उन्होंने सभी कुछ लिखा जो बाबर की लाइफ का पार्ट था, जो भी बाबर की विक्ट्रीज थी और डिफीट थी, वो सब कुछ तुझके बाबरी और बाबरनामा में रिटन है. ओके. दीज आर द पिक्चर्स ऑफ बैटल ऑफ पानीपत एंड बैटल ऑफ खानवा. क्लियर? From this, the Mughal Empire started in our country. The Muslim rulers came to our country and they influenced our society. So for today, that's it. We have read about Babur. Babur was a descendant of Turkish ruler Genghis Khan and Timur. And he was a great soldier. He conquered Ghazni and Samarkand, and then he came to India. He was attracted by our wealth. He defeated Ibrahim Lodi in Battle of Panipat in 1526, and then he defeated Rana Sanga in the Battle of Khanwa. And with these battles, the rule of Lodi dynasty and the kingdom of Rajputs dissolved. And here started the Mughal Empire. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. And just take interest in that. It is very much important chapter. Okay, it changed आर हिस्ट्री. हमारी हिस्ट्री को चेंज करना, हमारे कल्चर को चेंज करने में इन मुगल्स का बहुत बड़ा एक हाथ था. तो जस्ट वी हैव टू रीड प्रॉपरली दिस चैप्टर. ओके. दे चेंज द लाइफ ऑफ इंडियन पीपल. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. रीड दिस चैप्टर और दिस टॉपिक फ्रॉम योर बुक. ओके. सो be happy always and be serious about your studies. ठीक है बेटे? And if you have any problem, you can ask. So thank you and have a nice day.